Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about construction. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. A freshwater pipeline is to be run from a source on the edge of the lake to a small resort community on an island 5 miles offshore as indicated in the figure. So let's see about the figure in here. The question: if it costs 1.4 times as much to lay the pipe in the lake as it does on the plane, what should S be in miles to minimize the total cost of the project? Question B is similar but they change only 1.1. And now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We know that if we look carefully, this is about the right triangle. So if we want to find this plane in here, we just use about Pythagorean theorem. So that's about the technique to use. And we have this one should be about 5 square plus s square under the square root. And now we have 1.4, so we have the total cost should be about 1.4 multiplied with this one, plus 10 minus s. And now we need to find first the derivative of the function f of s. So you will got about 1.4 multiplied with 2 multiplied with the square root 5 to the power of 2, we can change about 25 plus s to the power of 2. So you got about 2s in here. And we have negative number 1, number 2 and number 2, they will cancel. So we need to find the critical point in here. So we put about first the derivative of the function equal to number 0. So that means this one (1.4) multiplied with s over the square root of 25 plus s square minus 1 equal to number 0. And now we can get about 1.4 multiplied with s over the square root of 25 plus s square equal to number 1. We divide both sides with 1.4. You got about 5 over 7. Later that we put the square in the both sides. you got about 25 over 49. And we can get the value of s squared in here. That's about 625 over 24. You got about s equals to 5.103. So if we put back in here about this one, we put about f of 5.103, and you will get about the total cost is about 104.92, and this is the minimum of total cost. Now you just do the similar technique with 1.1. We divide both sides with 1.1, and you got about 10 over 11. Later that we put the square in the both sides, and this one you will get about 100 over 121. So this one we got about 22,500 over 21. So we put the square root in the both sides. You got about 10.91, but 10.91 is higher than 10. So in this situation, when we look on the figure, we need to put the length from here to this one and go straight like this. So this is in this situation, that's about for 1.1. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.